Okay, so favorite platforms. If you want to generate leads today, which I recommend that you do, the first thing that I want you to understand and be 100% on board is you're not going to be able to build a business on Facebook and Instagram if you don't generate identities. You're always going to have a temporary business. Always you're going to be at risk of somebody shutting you down, and if that happens, then that's the end of it. Facebook Messenger shuts you down, Facebook shuts you down, they don't like you anymore. I mean, I hear horror stories all the time. They control the platform. So your obsession has to be to utilize platforms to build identities. So I really have 3 favorite platforms. ManyChat is one of them. ManyChat is a chat marketing platform. It used to be a Facebook Messenger marketing platform. They transitioned towards being a chat platform, meaning that on that platform, when I say platform, I mean a software, a program that you can utilize to capture attention, to bring identities and create a customer journey. That's what a platform is. From Facebook, from Instagram, from other places and other platforms like Pinterest, from TikTok, from all over the place, you can bring people into this platform. And this platform allows you to capture their emails, their phone numbers, their identity, store that information, and also control the conversation and determine what's going to happen along the way. People have to see you many times before they trust you to buy something from you, before they trust you to hire you for a service. If they don't see you many times, they don't trust you enough, especially with the amount of companies out there doing the same thing that you are doing. Repetition of the message is key. We here at AGM Marketing, which we have a lot of clients and we have a lot of people that we service, I can tell you that I have been doing content now officially for 4 full years. If you go back to my Instagram, my Facebook, my LinkedIn, my YouTube channels, all these channels, 4 years of consistent content. Yes, we've been getting better, we improve, we change the strategy, we do all of that, but we have been doing it for many, many years. What am I saying this for? Because today we sign up people that started looking at our videos 2 years ago. We have had people signing up for services that haven't been interested, even though they've been seeing our content for a long time. So repetition of a message until they become a customer is an essential part of the process. That's why you want to incorporate a platform to capture identities. So one of the basic things that you need to do when you're going to start on a marketing roadmap that allows you to capture identities, so you can actually have people that you can sell your services to and get this attention that you so desperately need to generate the revenue for your business that's going to allow you to survive, grow, scale, build a team, and add products and variety and other things along the way, is to have a platform.